Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the content you want to convert, a web page, photo set, email, or document. Once open, tap the Share button and choose Save to Files if you want a straightforward PDF, or choose Print to use the PDF shortcut. You do this because Save to Files preserves the original and Print lets you control page size. Make sure to pick the correct folder and give the PDF a clear name before continuing. Once you've chosen Print, pinch outward on the print preview to turn pages into a PDF. This step converts layout and preserves pagination. If you're combining images, select them in Photos or Notes, open the Share sheet and tap Create PDF. That produces a single file. After conversion, tap the PDF preview in Files to reorder, delete, or rotate pages. This lets you fix sequence and orientation. Make sure to rename. Finish by saving the PDF to Files or iCloud Drive so it's accessible across devices, or export to books for reading. Once saved, tap Share to email, AirDrop, or upload to a cloud service. Use markup first to annotate or sign. If the file won't save or disappears, make sure you have enough storage, force quit files and reopen it, and confirm iOS is up to date. These steps resolve most common issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.